Welcome to Roy's Moto Ventures. Today I'm over at my brother's garage again. I got another package in the mail for the bike from Amazon. Okay. Riding in the, it's cold up here in upstate New York, so riding in the cold. Yeah, I got heated grips, but I wanted to get some handguards. So I ordered Coffin ones off, Coffin Handguards off of Amazon. I think they were like 28 bucks, whatever. Links in the description. You got to be careful when ordering for, the bikes because, 2020 is different than 2021. You got to make sure you order the ones with the, for the clutch cable or the one with the hydraulic clutch. Okay. So make sure you order the right ones. And I have a clutch cable. So, all right. I know most people go with, oh geez, what's the name of that place? Memphis Shades. All right. They go with Memphis Shades handguards. I think they're like 80 bucks, 79.99. I think they are. They're more of a made out of a windshield material, more plasticky, and they mount right here. They only have one. You take your mirror off. They only have one tab, and it mounts right here. Okay. The ones I got they mount here and under here, so it's a little bit more stable, and it's made out of metal. So we'll see. Yeah, I got these off of Amazon, 28 bucks, whatever. Link in the description. We'll see how they go. Cheap, whatever. If they don't last, they don't look good, whatever. There's less than 30 bucks. So let's see. Let me open the package. Ooh, getting windy out there. All right, Amazon package. Let's see here. Here's my part number. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see, can I zoom in here? Of course, it's made in China, and it says clutch, large. All right. We'll open these up. No instructions, of course, they usually don't. This one here is for the brake side, it looks like. Smaller, I think. And then this one here is for the clutch side. See, for the clutch cable, how long it is. If you have the hydraulic clutch, they're going to be both the same size. But since I got a clutch cable, this bracket's got to be longer. All right. Basically, you just take your mirror off and slide these through. And that's it. So we'll put them on the bike. And I think you just need a 1/2-inch wrench for the mirror.
Obviously, someone doesn't clean their bike very good. Yeah, look at that.
You gotta talk a little louder.
I don't care.
All right, so you just gotta take the acorn knot off right here. It's a 1/2-inch. Oh, this is gonna mess up all my mirrors, so when I get back to riding, I'm gonna have to adjust them all. Ooh, Jesus.
Is there a washer on there too? Yeah.
I have no idea. Jesus, how long is this fucking thing? All right, so you just pull your mirror off.
You know if that loosens up because the mirror will go.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. I figured you could just edit it.
All right. No, I'll edit it, but I didn't know if you're going like this or whatever. So.
Oh, yeah.
All right, there is a washer on there. Make sure you keep the washer. And this should go right over, go right down through. It is a little wider, but I'll pinch it.
Yeah, you got to pinch it.
But, and then you just put the nut back on.
You put the washer back on, right?
You can adjust this, see, do whatever way you want, which I'll probably do later on, I don't know. We'll see.
Is there a washer on top of this one too?
There's a washer on top of this one too.
All right.
And got the washer, got that. Right back in there. There we go. And see why that one has a longer? Because of the clutch cable.
Yep.
I think this one fits a little bit better.
Probably is. It's a thicker. Yeah.
See, it's already getting tight. You know, that one there was.
Yeah, it depends on the ways.
All right, so.
Tighten it up a little bit and then.
Get on, we'll tighten up a little bit, get on the bike and adjust. It's kind of, this is where you're gonna need a couple hands because you gotta, somebody's gotta tighten, hold the mirror and the freaking thing and the handguard at the same time.
Yep. Well, I'm gonna stop this now so we can.
All right.
The video back on here. All right, so they're both on.
What do you think? They look good?
I like them.
Cheap $30, less than $30.
See, put your, yeah, see.
You know, they still have very slight movement to them. We'll see how they go. I like them. We'll see what they look like.
Let's look on
I
from
forgot my key at my house, so my alarm's on. So
okay, going back farther.
you can, I think you can hit the button and zoom back a little bit.
That's actually looks pretty good though.
Looks good.
The camera looks like they're freaking identical. So everything looks pretty good to me.
Cool. All right. Well, they're on. They look pretty cool. May have to do some final adjustments once I start riding to see, you know, if I need to adjust the mirrors anymore and see how the wind hits my hands. But hey, for under $30, can't beat that. So, you know, not all Amazon parts are, you know, pieces of crap, but, you know, save a few bucks here and there. And then, you know, there are some things I will not buy on Amazon. I will buy, you know, name brand stuff, but, you know, go over there. So, you know, hey, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified of new videos when they come out. Leave a comment below. What do you think? Am I an idiot for buying Amazon shit or whatever? But, or, you know.
Or is it his pansy hands bleeding all over the place?
Yeah. You know, some dumb shit needs to put a fucking first aid kit in the garage. But, you know, hey, give me a thumbs up. That helps with the analytics of my videos, you know. So, we'll see you next time, and we'll have to wait till spring because I'm not freezing my ass off to go check to see if these block the wind at all. So, I'll let you know later. All right, see you next time. Bye.